Have you been struggling to fall asleep lately? Do you wake up tired, even after spending 8 hours in bed? If you said yes, then you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to share a simple, doctor-recommended night routine that can help you sleep deeply and wake up full of energy, no matter your age. Aging doesn't mean sleepless nights or endless tossing and turning. You deserve peaceful, refreshing sleep. And today, I'll walk you through every step that can make it happen naturally, right from your own home. As we age, our sleep patterns start to change. It's completely normal. Our body's natural production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, begins to decrease. That's why many people over 60 find themselves going to bed early, waking up before sunrise, or feeling restless during the night. Doctors say that after 60, the structure of our sleep shifts. We spend less time in deep restorative stages of sleep and more time in lighter ones. That's why even small noises or temperature changes can wake us up easily. And when we don't sleep well, our heart, immune system, and even our memory can suffer. But the good news is this: you can improve your sleep without sleeping pills or expensive gadgets. All it takes is a consistent, mindful night routine that works with your body's natural rhythm. Let's dive into how you can do that, step by step. The first step is to create a calm environment at least 2 hours before bed. Good sleep begins before your head even touches the pillow. Around sunset, start dimming the lights in your home. Soft, warm lighting helps your body recognize that it's time to wind down. Turn off harsh white lights and switch to yellow or amber lamps. They're much easier on your eyes and help trigger melatonin naturally. If you enjoy watching TV or checking your phone before bed, turn on the night mode or blue light filter. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, and that delay can keep you awake for hours. So if possible, keep all screens away at least 30 to 45 minutes before sleeping. Instead, try playing calm instrumental music, or even better, listen to sounds of nature, like gentle rain or ocean waves. Many seniors find these sounds incredibly soothing and helpful for falling asleep faster. The second step is to build a relaxing pre-sleep ritual. A routine tells your body that it's time to rest. You could start with something simple, like washing your face with warm water, brushing your teeth slowly, or applying a gentle moisturizer. These small actions send signals to your brain that bedtime is approaching. Some people like to drink a cup of caffeine-free herbal tea, such as chamomile or lavender tea, about an hour before bed. These natural teas help relax your muscles and reduce anxiety. But make sure not to drink too much liquid too close to bedtime. Getting up often to use the restroom can disturb your sleep cycle. After that, do a few light stretches. Simple stretches for your back, neck, and shoulders can release tension that builds up during the day. You don't need to do a full workout, just slow, deep breathing combined with gentle movement. This improves blood circulation and helps your muscles relax. The third step is to keep a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps reset your internal clock. Within a few days, you'll notice that you start feeling sleepy naturally at the same hour without even trying. Many older adults make the mistake of napping too long during the day, which can make it harder to sleep at night. If you need a nap, keep it short, 20 to 30 minutes maximum, ideally before 3 p.m. That way, your body still feels tired enough to rest at night. Fourth step, and one that's often ignored, is creating the perfect sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a place of peace. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Most doctors recommend a temperature between 65 degrees and 70 degrees for deep sleep. Use blackout curtains if street lights disturb you. And if noise is a problem, consider a white noise machine. It blocks out background sounds like traffic or barking dogs. Also, pay attention to your mattress and pillows. After the age of 60, our bodies become more sensitive to pressure points. A supportive mattress that keeps your spine aligned can make a big difference. If your mattress is more than 8 years old, it might be time for a replacement. The fifth step is to clear your mind before sleeping. Worry and overthinking are two of the biggest sleep killers. Many seniors say that as soon as they lie down, their minds start replaying old memories or future worries. Here's a simple trick. Keep a small notebook by your bed. Before you lie down, write down anything that's bothering you or anything you need to remember for tomorrow. This tells your brain, I've handled it. I don't need to think about it now. Then, close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Try this. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 1 minute. This technique lowers your heart rate and relaxes your nervous system. It's something even doctors recommend for insomnia. Now let's talk about what to avoid at night. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine stays in your body for up to 8 hours. Even a small cup of tea or chocolate at night can make it harder for you to fall asleep. Avoid heavy meals or spicy food before bed. They can cause acid reflux and discomfort. If you're hungry, have a small, light snack, something like a banana, oatmeal, or a few almonds. And finally, avoid reading upsetting news or watching intense TV shows before sleep. The emotions they trigger can raise your stress hormones, making it harder for your body to relax. Now that you know what to do before bed, let's look at how you can wake up feeling refreshed. When your alarm rings, don't hit snooze. Get out of bed, open your curtains, and let natural sunlight hit your eyes. Morning light helps reset your internal clock and signals your body to produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. This helps balance your mood and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. If you can, spend a few minutes outside in the fresh air. Light stretching, a short walk, or just sitting in your garden with a cup of tea can make a huge difference in how your day starts. And here's one more secret. The better you live your daytime, the better your nighttime will be. Stay physically active. Even a 20-minute walk every afternoon can improve sleep quality. Eat nutritious meals, stay hydrated, and avoid long naps. Think of sleep as the reward your body gives you for taking care of it during the day. Sleep isn't just about resting. It's when your body repairs your heart, rebuilds your muscles, and resets your brain. Getting enough deep sleep after 60 is one of the most powerful ways to keep your heart healthy, your mind sharp, and your energy high. So tonight, I want you to start this simple routine. Dim your lights 2 hours before bed. Turn off screens early, stretch, breathe deeply, and drink a warm cup of herbal tea. Go to bed at the same time. And most importantly, let go of the day. Whatever happened today is over. Tomorrow is a new start. You deserve peaceful sleep. You deserve mornings that feel light and full of life again. So if you're ready to sleep better naturally and wake up energized, start tonight. Try this night routine for just 7 days, and I promise your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who's been struggling with their sleep. Sometimes the smallest changes can bring the biggest peace.